guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. Today I have for you my foundation routine for the summer. So anyways, you guys, let's get started with my foundation routine for the summertime. Alright guys, let's get started with my summer ain't going nowhere foundation routine. Alright, so the first thing that I do is obviously we're probably wearing this throughout the whole day and you're starting in the morning obviously, so let's apply a sunscreen. My moisturizer also has sunscreen, but I do use this Neutrogena oil-free sunscreen from Neutrogena with SPF of 70, and I love this. It's actually very like moisturizing and glowy, so I like that. Then I go in with two primers, and these are the Revlons Photoready Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer, and this is the packaging. It's like a pink. It has like little beads inside, like hydrating beads. I really like this, and in the shade 001 Rose Quartz. And then I have the Revlon Photoready Primer Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing Primer. So you know, I like to be glowy, but I also don't want to sweat, and like I don't want my makeup to suffer. I want best of both worlds, so that's the reason why I use both. So I would use the matte one in my pores just to like calm down the pores, and this is a really good primer. Both of them are. I use that much on my pores over here, and also a little bit on my nose and my forehead, just like in the middle, like basically the center of the face. And it's also very like soft, but it does feel a little thick, so it's not like something that you just apply and you don't feel. You do feel it, but I like it. I like that. And then so that's for my pores and to mattify that area, which can get a little bit glowier or oily. That's the word, oily. Now the only thing that I don't like about the illuminating one is that the dropper does not work, and I don't like that, but you know what, it's not a big deal. I just like pour it on my hand. So if you're gonna get this primer, make sure that you know that this is a lot. I'm gonna put a little bit back because I just need a little bit for the outer parts of my face. So I would rub this on my hands and apply it on the outsides like so, and like that. So it's very important to prime the face. So then I'm gonna go in with a concealer first to conceal like all the dark spots and the acne and like the under eye area. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium Tan Neutral, and this one is like my perfect shade. I go under my eyes, and like I basically use it like a foundation, to tell you the truth. Like the brush that I use is from BH Cosmetics. It's like a flat kabuki brush, remember those? I go in and push the product in my face, or to my face, and you're gonna see how good this concealer blends. Look at that. Like it looks like a foundation, you guys. It's so good. So then I go in with the Tarte the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. Face Tape Foundation, and I have that in two shades. This shade is definitely my shade. It's the Medium Tan Neutral as well, but I feel like it could be a little bit too light now during the summertime, so I do mix it with a little bit of the deep golden. This foundation, just like the concealer, is like so good, you guys. It's the best. It lasts all day. The finish of it is beautiful. I love this foundation. So I just like apply a little bit like that, and then like I said, just a tiny little bit of the darker shade here, just like a little dot, right? And then I mix it with my finger like that, and I apply it on my face. And this, I feel like, is my perfect shade. Look at that. Ugh, it's amazing. God, I love it. And also you can use this foundation by itself. Like you don't need to do the concealer beforehand like I do, if you don't have problematic skin like I do. And I do that sometimes as well, just when I don't want that much coverage. But this is gonna last you all day. Like if you do both steps, this foundation is not going anywhere. And also you have like a pretty beautiful canvas to work on afterwards, so it's like perfect for me. I love it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Shape Tape again in medium this time, and I'm gonna go in to conceal further under my eyes and like lighten that area. This is what I'm doing now. Like you see how lighter this one is, so that's gonna conceal under the eye. and or sorry, lighten under the eye, the nose, a little bit around my mouth here, my chin, and a little bit on my nose. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Because a little bit of this concealer goes a very long way. That's another thing why, another reason why I love this concealer so much. It's because it really lasts a long time. It is a little bit high in price. It's like $28, I believe. But like I said, it's beautiful and it lasts a long time. Another reason why I love this concealer, it's because you really don't have to set it. Like, even if I don't set it right now, it's gonna last me a while. It might just get a little bit more oily, but not too much, not even too much. But since I want it to last all day, then that is why I go in with this Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder from Maybelline. This powder is really good. It's really fine, and I do notice a big difference when I use it and I don't use it. When I use it, like I said, my foundation will last me all day. I go in with my beauty blender, which is not very clean right now, but I go in with just a beauty blender and then I apply it under my eyes, but also with a little bit, with a brush all over my face, like very lightly, so I could set all my makeup. So I go in and I bake. I look up, I bake with the powder. I also set my lid, and he also makes your lid not get oily, because that happens to me too. And then with this big brush from Sigma, I've had this for a very long time, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit on the lid. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not too much, it's just a tiny little bit. Like that. I swirl it in, I take off the excess, and then I go in, I go around my face, my neck too, so you could sit there and it won't move. It's not going to move anywhere. It's not going anywhere, I'm telling you. While this bakes, I'm gonna go in and do my brows, and then I'll be right back. You guys, don't mind my face right now, because I was trying out new bronzers and a new highlighter, and I like one of the bronzers, but the highlighter is not working right now. It's too light for me. But let's disregard that, and I shouldn't have tried new products doing my foundation routine. But anyways, I want to show you guys the last product that's very important, and it's the Maybelline Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray Matte Finish up to 16-hour wear. This is your lifesaver. Like, if you have oily skin, if your makeup doesn't last, if your makeup doesn't look good, you need a setting spray. And this is an affordable one from the drugstore, and so hop on this one because this is really good, and it does say what it says it does. Wait, no, it does do what it says it does. Yeah, let's go very far, like over here. And yes, you have to be very extra with your setting spray. My sister used to be like so extra with it, and I'm like, why do you have to like spray yourself like 20 times? And it's like, and then her makeup looked the best, so I was like, why is it? And then I started doing this trick, and of course my makeup looks a lot better, because the setting spray, what it does is like it sets your makeup, it makes it look better, it makes it last longer, and all that good stuff. So you definitely need a setting spray for your foundation routine. And I believe that's all for this video today. This is my summer foundation routine. Like, this is not going anywhere. I've already put it to practice. The other day I was out all day and I was sweating and everything. You guys, this foundation routine did not smudge, it did not move, it didn't get oily, nothing. And I was like, whoa, I have to show you guys this, because, and I'm sure you guys have a lot of these products, so I hope you just follow my little tips, and I'm telling you, your foundation is not gonna move. But other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I need to increase my subscribers on this channel, so please, well, both of my channels. By the way, I do have another channel which I vlog more, and it's like more in Spanish. If you would like that, like it if you did like this video and if you learned anything from this. And like always, leave a comment telling me what you guys want to see next. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.